Alright guys, so basically what we'll be doing today is we're going to be learning how to come up with amazing text effects, really beautiful text effects we can use for our designs. So first thing we're going to do is you're going to launch your browser, then you type logo AI /com/text bar. I'm going to just forward the link to us. This is the link, www.logoai.com/text. So just give it some time for it to load. Yeah, this is it now. So our focus is going to be just here. You see me, I'm scrolling. These are the available text effects on Logo AI. So you to get the, if none of this is what you're looking for, you just refresh, then another set will come up. You refresh again, another set will come. So you just keep refreshing till you find whichever one it is you are looking for. Now the one I want to use for the purpose of this class is the one called Juice. I think it should be somewhere. Just give me some time, let me find it. Juice, that's the one I'm looking for. It was here initially. Okay, this is it. So you just tap on it, whichever one you want to use, you tap on it, and then to edit this, you tap on the Juice, then you see click to edit, you tap on that. So let's assume we want to type here, want to change the text now. Let's type Happy Easter. Happy Easter. Let's use just the first caps. So Happy Easter. Then we could use, maybe we'll just leave the fonts. This is where you can change the fonts. So they have limited fonts. They have very limited font, but we'll leave it like that. If you want to change the font, you could just come here. I've changed it to Bomba Balloon. Or if you want to change it to something else, this is just where you change the text. The font rather. This is where you change the font. I just wanted us to know how we could do this. So let's continue with our design, or let's just leave it as this Bomba Balloon. Let me see if I will see the one that was there before. That's Coiny. I'm not sure it's okay. I can't find it here again. All right, no problem. So let's just use this Bomba Balloon. Now next thing we're going to do is we could change the color. So you can see our Happy Easter here. No, I don't like this font. This arrow here at the top of the arrow for Easter is for you to increase or reduce the size, to resize. Yeah, that's the purpose of that. So let's edit it again. Click to edit. I want to change the font. No, I don't like this Bomba Balloon. So let me use Poppins. So it's changed now. Let's see. So this is the Poppins. Now I want to resize. Yeah, let me resize. Then I want to also change the color of this Happy Easter. So you come here. Now all these 5 colors are the colors on the text: the orange, the white, the red, the blue, and the brown. So let's start from the blue. Let's change this to black. Then let's see. So can you see the shadow is now black? So let's edit again. This time around, let's see. Maybe we'll change the red to, let's see, to, what's this now, yellow. Okay, so this is it now. What else do we want to change? Or we could just leave the rest the way they are. Now for the spacing, let's just see how it works. This is to increase the letter spacing. So the more you increase it, the more the spacing in the words. then the curvature under spacing is to curve it something like this. So you can see as I'm moving it, can you see? Yeah, so that's that for that. Then this is to keep it in italics. That's to put it on italics. We all know what italics does to our text effect, so I don't want it to be in italics, so I'm going to leave this at 0. Then for the heights, yeah, you want to make it longer or you want to keep it short, whichever one. Okay, I think the spacing is too much. So for the width, maybe we could just increase this a bit. I really don't use the padding, so we could just leave this as this. Then at the top here where you see text and BG, let's come over to text. If you don't want it to be in this on this particular color, you could just come to where you have gradient, to take it off and you pick any one. It was on gradient initially, so you just take it off and pick whichever one you want to use, maybe this or white. Okay, maybe we'll just leave it as white. Then this BG is for background. Our background is currently blue, it's a gradient anyways, so now we could maybe put it this or this, okay, or leave it as white. We're just playing with it anyways, or leave it as this or this, whichever one, or maybe we should just leave it as white, or we should use a gradient. Okay, let's just leave it as this. So now you already know how to come up with your text effect. Now the next thing you want to do is to download. So you just click here, the download button, PNG, you save it as PNG transparent. Then you long click on image to save it to local album. So you long click on this, then download image. Now it's saved to your gallery. So let's open our gallery. Now this is it in my gallery. Happy Easter. So next thing we're going to be doing is to learn how we can import this and use it into our design. That's the next thing we're going to be learning how to do.